Hi Aquarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for November. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's jump in and see what this particular month has in store for you. Now the first card that I see for you is Eight of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and the Eight of Wands. Person B here has the Three of Wands, Eight of Cups, and Seven of Cups. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have, what is the blockage in this relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Now, bottom of the deck, I have Queen of Swords. It means that both of you need to have a very honest conversation with regards to something. Okay, it could be this relationship, or it could be a situation outside this relationship which is impacting both of you. Now, from the first set of cards, I see you have Eight of Pentacles, which means that you have to put in a lot of effort in order to take care of this relationship. The second card for you is Knight of Pentacles, which means that you have a very slow moving energy right now. You're walking so slow that the other person may feel that you are not at all interested. Now the flip side of the Knight of Pentacles is the slowest moving knight is actually the best knight also, because this knight provides you with stability that none of the other knights provide. However, they are very slow with their energy. Now the third card that I see for you here is the Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands means that you will go ahead and communicate something to this person. It could be anything. It could be something related to this particular relationship, or in some cases it could also be something else altogether. Now for person B here, they have Three of Wands. Three of Wands means that this person is stuck. Okay, they are currently stuck. They are waiting for their ships to come in. They're not able to decide, and hence they're stuck in a situation with something. It could be this relationship, or it could also be something outside this relationship, but that is impacting them in such a way that they have got stuck. The second card here is Eight of Cups, which means that in some cases this person is going to walk away. And the third card here for them is Seven of Cups, which means that this person has a lot of options. Now with this, let's also see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have. So the mutual feeling is Five of Wands. Five of Wands means that there is a lot of people in and around you and your person that somehow interfering in this relationship, and you need to take care of this. Let's see what is the blockage in the relationship. The blockage in the relationship is the Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords is a fast moving energy where you want to go ahead and deliver some message, but there is no stability. You will deliver the message and you walk out. This means that both of you are not looking at stability and long term right now. Now let's also see what is the outcome of the relationship. The outcome of the relationship is the Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune means that both of you are waiting for the Wheel of Fortune, which could be time, which could be karma, to go ahead and move and change in your favor, so that things move as per your life. Okay, we'll also go ahead and see now what is the message that we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So let's go ahead and take one card here to see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle decks. The message that I see for you is have faith in your dreams. This means that you need to just believe in your dreams, and only when you will believe in your dreams, that's when positive things will happen. We'll also go ahead and quickly see what is the intention of this person for you this month. So the first card is the Tower card, the Magician card, and the Eight of Pentacles. The Tower card is an unexpected energy. It means that there's some kind of shake-up that you can expect to happen in this relationship, which will go ahead and shake things up between the two of you. This is the third supreme power's way of shaking up this relationship, because it wants both of you to build this relationship on a stable ground. The second card is the Magician card, which means that this person will go ahead and use all the four elements so that things work in their favor. And the third card is Eight of Pentacles, which means that they will put in a lot of hard work also to ensure that this relationship is stable and it moves forward in the right direction. With this, let's also take one card here to see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in the situation. So the crystal that I see for you is andesite. The crystal message is, are you in search of a deeper spiritual connection? Go outdoor and commune with nature. Listen to the messages being communicated to you by the tree, plant and animals. Spend some time in a garden or in the woods. Put your attention on your alignment with Mother Earth. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Sandalphon, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box and you can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.